Welcome aboard the 2008 52 Cabo Dolphin Fish. It's a huge cockpit laid out for hardcore fishing. In the port fish box, there's dual freezer plates. In the starboard fish box here, the Eskimo ice machine, which dumps into the insulated macerated fish box. On the transom, there's a 75-gallon live well, custom teak rocket launcher. It's powered by twin 1,550 horsepower MAN engines. She has dual generators, a single 21 kW Onan and a backup 9 kW Onan. Now, if you follow me up to the air-conditioned helm deck, we can continue our tour. It's a 17-foot, 9-inch beam, so everywhere we go, you'll notice really spacious layout. L-shaped seating area here to port with a custom teak table. Optional triple stid helm seats. Fully complemented Garmin electronics package. Now we're downstairs in the lower accommodations of the 52 Cabo Dolphin Fish. You'll see a fully appointed galley, Corian countertops, Sub-Zero refrigerator freezer, under counter drawers. We have a large L-shaped salon seating area, pull-out sofa, athwartships, large flat screen TV with satellite capabilities. In the starboard aft corner here, we have a day head. Looking forward down below, we have the guest stateroom with bunk beds, cedar-lined closet, all solid teak woodwork and joinery. All the way forward here would be the master stateroom. So flat screen TV to port. On both sides, there's outboard rod storage. This master stateroom also features a full in-suite head. And if you notice, under this plush carpeting, there's solid teak and holly wood sole. Now comes the fun part. Let's take her for a sea trial. Thanks for joining us today for the tour on the 2008 52 Cabo Express Dolphin Fish. I look forward to hearing from you with any questions. I appreciate the opportunity to earn your trust and business.